Have you ever observed the living beings around you? If not, you have to. If there are no facilities to go around and observe them, you can watch them in the television or in the Google. How happy they are, how beautiful they are, how healthy they are, how contented they are. They are always in celebration, unless and otherwise we the human beings trouble them. Actually, there are 84 lakh species of lives in this planet, and the human beings are only one among them. The human beings are the most evolved among all these species. Some of them can even migrate from one continent to another, and they do not pollute the environment. We, the human beings, live in sufferings, in sorrows, live in bondage, and create 1,001 problems to ourselves and to other creatures. Why? What happened to us? Because we are all far away from our own home. We are all living in somebody's address. We do not know ourselves. We do not know who we are. We think we belong to a particular country. And we hate the people in all other countries. We think we belong to a particular religion and disagree with all other religion. We think we belong to a particular sect and deny the people in all other sects. Yes, we are far away from our own true nature. We say, this is my house. Am I this house? We say, this is my book. Am I this book? We say, this is my head. Am I this head? We say, this is my body. Am I this body? No. We say, this is my hand. Am I this hand? No. We say, this is my leg. Am I this leg? No. We say, this is my eye. Am I this eye? No. We say, this is my nose. Am I this nose? No. We say, this is my tongue. Am I this tongue? No. We say, this is my skin. Am I this skin? No. We say, this is my ear. Am I this ear? No. We say, this is my mind. Am I this mind? No. We say, my intellect is very sharp. Am I this intellect? No. So the scriptures ask us to deny everything that you can until further denial, further negation is not possible. And that substance which exists there is your existence. And that is truth. And it is omnipresent, omnipotent, and omniscient. Now let us try this. I am not the house. I am not the book. I am not the head. I am not this hand. I am not this leg. I am not this body. I am not this eye. I am not this nose. I am not this tongue. I am not this skin, I am not this ear, I am not this mind, I am not this intellect. When I negate everything outside and inside, even the body, mind, senses and intellect, the I remains unaffected. Without the subject I cannot negate anything. This non-negatable existence is always there. Even when you are in deep sleep and come out of the sleep, we all say, I slept happily, I had a deep sleep. The I remains when you are in deep sleep also. And we all say, when we come out of deep sleep, I slept happily. When this body, senses, mind and intellect were subsided, when the senses, mind and intellect were withdrawn, were not there in action, we say, I slept happily. Who experienced this happiness when the mind, senses and intellect were subsided? Who is this experiencer? Who is this witness consciousness? This witness consciousness is me. This witness consciousness is I. The witness consciousness of me and the witness consciousness of you are one and the same. The witness consciousness of me and you and the universal consciousness are one and the same. There is only one consciousness, one existence without a second one. Every human being has got the potential to reach this state of consciousness. Every human being has the capacity to reach the state of oneness without a second one. Those who desire to reach this stage of oneness has to continue the inquiry with the guidance of a master. And one who reaches this stage, one who reaches this state of blissfulness without sorrows, the ultimate level of consciousness without sufferings, ultimate emancipation from sorrows reaches the Supreme. And one who reaches here overcomes the cycle of death and birth.